Gousto beats radio from Spotify.
Oh! That wasn't what I was expecting.
Why are you talking?
You want to do a dance? Like,
Where are you feeling? You have to rush cooking.
This is quite stressful.
So, what was the price of Gousto?
Gousto was actually one of the cheaper options that we tried.
Yeah, so we ordered 4 meals, but we'll just use one as the example. The creamy chicken and tomato, creamy spinach and tomato chicken.
That's the recipe that we cooked. So the overall price, it was £34.99 for 4 meals originally for 2 people.
But with the discount, which was 60%,
60%,
it was £14,
which was
is
really
so
good.
cheap.
So the meals ended up being, they would have been £4.37, but with the discount, they were £1.75 per serving, which is incredible value. And so we got like eight individual servings for
£14.
Yeah, $34.99.
And they're all like,
£14.
you know, nice meals.
Yeah, everything that sounded really good, like crispy tofu with sesame rice and satay sauce, garlic mushroom and sage gnocchi. They all sound very good.
Tasty.
To see how good value for money it is, we compared the same ingredients from a supermarket. So we looked at Morrisons, Tesco and Sainsbury's. Just went onto their website and typed in, as they were doing an online shop, and typed in all the ingredients and added it all up. So for Morrisons, it was £9.33 for all the ingredients, which works out at £4.70 per portion. From Tesco, it was £4.97 for all the ingredients, which was really cheap, and £2.50, around £2.50 per portion.
And Sainsbury's was £5.38 for all the ingredients, but per portion it's £2.70.
Yeah, really
Very
good.
cheap. Happy with it.
Very good. So Gousto, obviously like £4.37 per portion.
Pretty good.
It is good, but it's not as cheap as getting it from the supermarket, but you do get the convenience of it being delivered to your door.
No waste.
No waste is a good one. You know that it's going to arrive every week.